In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed email sign-up forms on WordPress.com, an accessible tutorial perfect for beginners looking to enhance their website's functionality by engaging users through email sign-ups. To embark on this task, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your site, where you have access to a variety of tools and settings. Once you've logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to click on the Pages option to continue. At this point, you'll need to decide whether to insert the sign-up form into an existing page or create a new one entirely. For today's example, let's work with an existing page. So go ahead and select the page you'd like to edit. Once it's open, you'll see the layout and content of your page ready for modification. Now, to add your email sign-up form, look for the plus button, typically located at the top of your page editor. This button allows you to add blocks to your page, providing a versatile way to enhance your content. Click on this button, and a search bar and block options will appear. In the search bar, type in Newsletter. Searching for this term will filter out the options, leaving you with newsletter-related blocks. These blocks are pre-designed to add email sign-up forms to your page. Choose a design that aligns best with your page's aesthetic and the overall vision of your website. Drag the block you prefer directly onto the page where you want it to appear. It's a simple drag and drop operation. This intuitive feature makes customizing your page seamless and user-friendly. Once you've placed the sign-up form where you want it, customize it as you see fit. Many form blocks allow you to change text, color, and style, giving you control over how the form integrates with your page's design. Take a moment to ensure everything aligns well, and that the form's call to action is clear and engaging, encouraging users to sign up. After you've positioned and customized your form, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll find the Save or Update button in the top right corner of your screen. Click this button to make sure all your modifications are stored and your form is live and functional for all your site visitors. Following these steps provides a straightforward way to increase user engagement on your WordPress site through email signups. You've just taken another step towards building a vibrant community around your content. Keep experimenting with different styles and placements, and with each iteration, you'll refine your approach, bringing even more value to your audience. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your WordPress site.